Well, we know the boys are competitive with the hockey stick, but what about the spatula? All right, let's see what the chef du jour is cooking up with a new installment of Home Cooking, presented by TECO People's Gas.
What's up, everyone? It's your boy, Chef Jeff. Welcome to TECO People's Gas Home Cooking Challenge. And right here is a staple for both of you gentlemen, because I'm joined here, Victor Hedman, Anton Strawman, one of your nation's dishes coming alive here. We're making Swedish meatballs. Now, gentlemen, is this something that is gonna be on a weekend dinner menu at the house?
Yeah, definitely.
Always.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, you guys have all the stuff that you need to do it. Are you guys ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
We're ready?
Time starts now. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up.
That might be the worst meatballs ever.
All right, gentlemen, how hard was that challenge?
It was pretty hard.
Yeah, it was, time pressure got to you a little bit.
The time pressure got
Yeah.
you, and you guys went 2 different routes here. We've got a base right here, Anton. You let everything just sit on it. Walk me through a little bit about your meatballs.
Well, you know, I think it's pretty much the traditional Swedish meatball. You got all the ingredients you want in there. You have the pork and the ground beef to give it a little extra flavor. And yeah.
I like it. It's light. It works. Nice, perfect golf ball size uniform. All right, Victor, tell me a little bit about your Swedish meatballs.
Well, I got a little bit panic mode. I made them a little bit too big, and you know what? They're not done yet.
It ain't done yet. I can tell it's not even done yet. Like,
I know.
the pressure got to you.
Yeah.
I gotta give you this round, Anton. You already, before I even get into it.
Don't even.
All right, yeah, do not eat a Swedish meatball that has not been cooked. All right, let's toss it out to